In Karnataka, the state government has warned of an intense summer and a possible monsoon deficit across most districts. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar held a high-level meeting in Bengaluru with district in-charge ministers, district officers and chief executive officers of district panchayats. They directed officials to take precautionary measures to ensure there is no shortage of drinking water during the summer months. According to officials, April to June period is expected to witness more hot days than usual, particularly in North Karnataka. The India Meteorological Department has forecast below average rainfall, which may improve only in August. Siddaramaiah warned that except for 5 districts, most areas are likely to face a monsoon deficit. He also cautioned that district officials would be held responsible if drinking water shortages arise. The Chief Minister stated that the government has identified 213 taluks and 2,410 gram panchayats that may face drinking water shortages during the summer. Currently, 598 gram panchayats across 114 taluks are already experiencing water problems. Drinking water is being supplied to 137 villages through 129 tankers. He added that there is no shortage of funds to ensure water supply. Siddaramaiah instructed authorities to rent private borewells whereas necessary. So far, 585 private borewells have been rented, supplying water to 515 villages. He also directed officials to use water tankers only in unavoidable circumstances. The Chief Minister further stated that the state's 14 major reservoirs are currently holding only 34% of their maximum capacity, amounting to 321.93 TMC of water. During the same period last year, reservoirs held 330.35 TMC of water. Despite this, he assured that sufficient water is available for present drinking needs, but stressed that water must be conserved until mid-July, considering the possible of a delayed monsoon. Siddaramaiah also directed officials to prioritize electricity connections for drinking water schemes and ensure the availability of fodder for livestock. He instructed authorities to promptly address public grievances related to drinking water and set up control rooms at taluk and ward levels. District level task forces were also directed to function actively. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister warned of possible fertilizer disruptions due to the ongoing conflict in West Asia. He noted that nearly 40% of India's fertilizer supply previously passed through the Strait of Hormuz. Siddaramaiah directed officials to prevent hoarding and regulate the transportation of fertilizers to other states. He also expressed concern over unusually high fertilizer sales in districts such as Haveri compared to the last year. In a related development, Bengaluru is witnessing extreme ultraviolet radiation levels. The UV index has reached nearly 13, which falls under the extreme category according to the World Health